Hello guys, you're watching Droid Crunch and I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about how to earn money for the students. So if you are a student and you want to earn money while you want to learn, then keep watching this video and I will show you the best ways you can grow your knowledge and at the same time earn some good money. Yeah, of course you can earn even if you're a student, you have passed 10 plus, you have matrix knowledge, and even if you have college and on the assignments you are doing, you can still earn money while you are doing your college and studying. So keep watching and don't miss the video because I will be sharing all the insane stuff that you can do. Just you need a laptop or internet connection maybe, and then you can go ahead. So there are a couple of ways. First, you have to find your instinct, like what is your inner instinct, like what you want to do, what's your interest. Like if you are looking you are into gaming, you love gaming, then there is a lot of scope in gaming as well. You can do a lot like playing games and earn some money by streaming. Yeah, uh, let me show you some of the examples like PUBG streaming. You can do that too and earn money by PUBG streaming, but that's not recommended because you will be sacrificing your own study lifestyle, and you will be more into games and all, and in this current time it's not possible that you will find some new audience. You will have to break a lot of obstacles. You will need a lot of support from your friends and all who really want to watch your live videos, and you'll have to face a time like 3 to 4 months to really start your channel. You will need some good patience in your mind, so nothing goes in one day. So you will have to get perfection in the game you are playing, and that's the way how you go. So that was one of the ways, because and the second way is to learn and earn, because it is not possible to earn without you have learned something. Yeah, you will agree that. So there are a couple of websites you can make use of, like Udemy. You can go to like any courses. You can find the instinct. If you are into programming, you want to learn WordPress, you want to learn PHP, you want to learn something, and then you can easily earn. You are at home, you are at liberty, you can easily go ahead and find suitable course for you. There are a lot of courses: development, business, finance, IT, office productivity, and all that. And based on your interest, you can find courses, and they're available as low as 490 rupees, and you can learn just on your mobile or your laptop and anywhere. And this way you can increase your knowledge, and then you can apply very easily on any online platform, like for internship, right? You can get some internships based on the courses that you have learned here. You will get a certificate and you will be a certified developer, marketer, or digital marketer. You may learn digital marketing as well. So there are lots of the stuff you can do based on your interest. So you have to find your interest, where you want to go, and then you can find courses based on that, and then you can easily get internship, you can get job, and that's way you can easily make some money while you are a student. So these courses you can finish them in like 1 month or maybe 2 months, depending on the difficulty of the course itself. Yeah, so this is the one of the ways. And next I am going to show you a website that is Fiverr.com. So this is basically a freelance platform where as a freelancer you can offer services, So you don't need a job actually. If you have learned like website designing, WordPress, logo designing, anything, like from here you can learn and from here you can earn. So that's the basic difference. So don't go directly on the Fiverr. First go on Udemy, buy any course and learn it, and get versatile and perfection in it. And as you become veteran in whatever you are doing, then just go ahead on Fiverr and you can earn money. Let me show you. Like if you have learned like logo design, and then you can find some gigs right here. You will need an account, so you can see that people are earning a lot of money by just creating a logo, and it's like 782 rupees. Like you can change the dollar or anything. It's in INR, Indian rupees. So you can basically sell them. You can see like 114 orders are in queue, and for each they are charging like this amount. So that's basically depending upon your SEO and how you rank on the results. And it's not possible in one day. Like you will upload your gig and it will rank and you will get lots of offers. It takes time. Your gig is like going to face time when it will have some fewer orders. Then you complete them, you get reviews, you get upper on the searches, and then you get more orders and get more money. But definitely it is worth the time, because you will increase your knowledge and you will be actually doing something, and you will not depend on any job. You are doing for yourself, and you are doing at home, and you don't need any dependency for that. So Fiverr is a freelance platform where you can sell your services, and you can as you go on you can learn more and make more gigs. You can it is not limited, like you will only do logo design. You can do WordPress, you can sell website design, all the services, and earn big money. There is another platform, that is Upwork, and it's equally very useful, and it lets you earn some good money based on the knowledge that you have. And if you are more into developing, and you are gonna get some good deals, gonna get some good amount of orders, and you can make some good money. There are lots of websites out there for freelancing, but I will recommend only and only Fiverr and Upwork based on my own experience, because most of them you are not gonna get work. You will get spam kind of users mailing you, and you may feel very depressed if they do anything like fraud with you. So this is not gonna work. So you just need to only do on Fiverr or maybe Upwork based on your interest. So you can start with Fiverr maybe, or maybe Upwork. So the first thing is to learn. Yeah, there are lots of websites, not Udemy. So you can learn from many websites. There are lots of websites out there. You can search like Udemy alternatives, and then you can find couple of more websites like Udacity is there, Skillshare, Lindashare is also one of the websites. So there are lots of websites from where you can actually learn. Yeah, you don't need to join classes. Yeah, like if you go to any course, then you can like find all the course content, and you can fetch them anytime. So it's like all there in your pocket. You don't have to attend regular classes. All the videos are in your account, and you can access them anytime. And if you miss something, you have all the data in your hand. Like if you missed any lesson, you can get back to that lesson anytime. You can make notes. You can if you are on any lesson, you can make notes for any specific timing as well, like on this timing. So it's here like 1 by 1 1. You can make your note, like if you found something interesting at this point, then you can note it down and save the note. So it will be saved in your user database, and you can actually make use of these notes to get back to that lesson and get some instinct. So yeah, this is how it is all gonna work. And if you really want to go very very quickly, you want to earn like from one day, then you may stuck on some fake websites or maybe some other things which are not gonna work. But yeah, there are some other things too, like you can create a website, you can create a affiliate marketing platform, like you can do affiliate marketing. Actually, you can promote products, but for that you will need some audience to build. Yeah, so that's the other way around, you can do as well, but there is a lot of competition out there. So I will recommend, if you want to do affiliate marketing, then learn first affiliate marketing or probably digital marketing, then come back to start affiliate marketing. Yeah, because there's a lot of competition and you cannot easily overrank them. So that's how it's gonna work. Or you can actually find some good internships, yeah, so that you can learn and earn at the same time. It's also very possible. So probably you are good in content writing, you can find internships for content writing, you can find internships based on the knowledge that you have, and you can do the both things at the same time. So this is all for today's video for the students. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and I have left all the social links in the description. You can reach me out at my social media. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a new video. I make videos on WordPress, on development skills and all that, so you can subscribe and I'm not going to disappoint you. So till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.